This Coldwell Banker Bisceglia Realty Company property video is presented by Kevin J. Bisceglia. You must see this 5+/acre property on the Cumberland River. The main 1,653 square foot house is a 3-bedroom 2.5 bath with a full basement. The seller is installing all new flooring and paint. There is approximately 520 feet of river frontage. As a bonus, there's a 2-bay detached garage with a 2-bedroom apartment. Also, there is a 3-bay mechanics garage with a concrete floor. The potential is endless with the flat acreage and privacy. For more information, review the details below or contact Kevin J. Bisceglia at 606-248-4932.